Okay. So now we're going to talk about upcycling.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you can read about upcycling.
Okay. Most recycling involves converting useful materials from one product and creating a different product or material. However, upcycling transforms unwanted or old products into products of better quality and environmental value. For example, using broken glass to create a sculpture or using food scraps for fuel,
Fuel.
fuel. Upcycling has many applications ranging from art and music to food and clothing.
Right. So upcycling is changing the purpose for something. So like
Yes.
the boots, they're using it now to grow stuff. Yeah, so that's upcycling.